Hey guys, welcome back. So I recently visited Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the very first time, and we booked a guided tour via Amstar. And during this tour, they were able to show us the city. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what all our tour included. It will be linked down below, so sit back and enjoy. Throughout the video, I might give a little bit of commentary, but for the most part, you'll hear our tour guides speaking.
I don't know if you knew this already, but we are in a different state on where you landed. Where you landed, it was Jalisco, okay? This right here, river between these two areas, this is Nayarit and this is Jalisco. So when you cross the bridge, that's the difference in the two states, okay? A long time ago, it was like 2 hours difference when you cross the bridge, but now it's all the same. Right? So from here, you got a benefit that you got a marina close by in case you want to do a trip, only 10 minutes away, okay? And the downtown area, it's all the way over here, okay? So it's about 45 minutes to get to the downtown area, okay? When you arrive, the main attractions there is the boardwalk, the big cathedral, flea market. They also take you to different places like coffee shops, jewelry stores, like there's like local vendors showing what they got for you guys. And from here, after you're done with this area, they're gonna take you up in the mountains next to the river, okay, where you're gonna have lunch on the restaurant, okay. And that one, the seasoning is really good. The lunch is included. It could be fajitas, it could be beef, shrimp, so there's a lot of food you guys can get. And after that, they will take you straight to the tequila distillery, okay. There's gonna be tequila made in the area, really good, different flavors, tequila with vanilla, tequila with coconut, tequila, different flavors, which is really nice. And of course you have the option to get like the whole bottle if you like. And after that, they're gonna take you straight to the hotel, okay?
So we did pay in pesos, but they do take USD. They also take card. We stayed at the Crystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta, and I do have a walkthrough video tour. If you would like to see that, that is linked down below as well. So with the tour, it did include transportation. So they came to our resort, picked us up, and then we were on our way.
Puerto Vallarta, they have a chance to set up the Catrina to have this special decoration. You can see the beginning. It's called Punta de Mita. On your left, you can see the end. Cabo Corriente. If you go by boat, from point to point, by boat, 32 miles. If you go from here to the end of the bay, 26 miles. We have areas in the bay on the south with more than 2 kilometers deep, 6,000 feet deep. In the bay, not allowed commercial fishing boats. No shrimp. You can see along the Malecon, they were donations. You're a famous artist, you want to donate your art, you never get 1 peso from the city. This is Triton and Nereida. Mr. Cesar Espino donated this sculpture. Triton and Nereida. But they use the boardwalk as a trampoline to sell this other places on the world to make the money back. Twice a week, in the evening, here in the gazebo, there is a local band of music. And everybody here in the plaza is dancing. Now we're gonna suppose you come right here, and you don't know how to dance. Okay? I have this invitation for you. Feel the energy of the music from the floor. They are playing, you don't know how to dance, you're gonna be like this. But later on, you're gonna feel this energy, and then you're gonna be like this. And then later on, you're gonna be like this, and later on, you're gonna be dancing. Later on, there's gonna be 3 señoritas dancing with you here at Guadalupe Church. And I wanna say sorry, but in Puerto Vallarta, We don't have a cathedral. This is not a cathedral.
Is there only one church?
No, there's many of them.
Oh, okay.
But a lot of people say we go to visit the cathedral. When in Puerto Vallarta we don't have a fish. We don't have a fish. No cathedral. And it doesn't matter the size. The most important is the vision to be. On history, they started to build this church in 1903. Nowadays, Mexican fire opals and mining. Okay? This is garbage. We don't need this. We need this. Hay que quitarle la piedra y hay que quedarnos con lo que nos interesa. Y luego lo ponemos en agua. Then we put it in water. Este es agua de la llave, ¿eh? We put it in water. You can see this is water from the tap. Right here, there's no chemicals. There's no bleach, no tequila. It's just water. And then we polish it. Luego hay que pulirlo. Chequen este ópalo. I want you to touch it to feel the shape of the stone. Touch it. And feel it. You can see sparkling. Right here, there is a combination with water and silice. Through years, Mother Nature is going to be making, you see, is going to be making the Mexican fire. So right here, probably you can see 1,500 years in the fire. So that's why this is our national stone. You move it, it's just part of it. This one right here, when they found it in mining, they used a bar that was too hard. That's why they broke in pieces, many pieces. ¿Esto qué es? What is this? Tócalo, por favor. Ese sí. Touch it. You tell me what you find it.
It's in New Hampshire.
Oh, wow.
It's the state of New Hampshire.
The state of Mexico. What do you feel? Flat. Amigos, this is another Mexican fire opal. This is made in laboratory. They take 3 months, and then that's why you feel it flat. So when you buy a fire opal, you feel the shape is natural, but you feel it flat is synthetic.
Beautiful work.
En México tenemos nomás 28 diferentes colores de opal. Naturales y sintéticos son 20. In Mexico, we have only 28 different colors of Mexican fire.
agave es la planta la más chiquita que tenemos acá. This plant is the blue agave, es la planta de agave azul. So this plant is the only plant around the world that can we get the tequila. Es la única planta de la cual podemos obtener tequila. So this plant is just a baby. We need a mature plant. So we have to wait in around 8 to 10 years. In this time the plant will grow up and need to collect natural starch. Chicas, esta planta...
Leeches. In the single leeches we have the 4 different flavors of kebab. This is beef, meat, chicken, or the shrimp kebab. 6 pieces open in the back. This is the butterfly shrimp. It's prepared with garlic butter breaded to spicy. Local lobster with garlic and butter. Filet mignon with the mushroom sauce on the top. This is the mahi mahi filet. It's prepared with garlic and butter sauce. The Veracruzan style is green pepper, onion, and tomato sauce on the top, or the fine herb. Chicken breast. This is the grilled chicken, barbecue, or the mustard chicken. The breast snapper, the whole fish with garlic and butter, or spicy. Oh, this is my favorite. I recommend it. The fried shrimp, raw to the bacon, to the top, to the white sauce, the Holland sauce on the top. This is shrimp, Saint-Germain, or steak and lobster combination. Or please, let me explain you the best. The combo for 2 for 1 is the best food that you will taste a little everything the seafood. The everything the seafood, what kind of rice and vegetable, the chicken or meat, the potato and vegetable size. Okay, do you have the question about the
Beans,
Beans. Chile, no chile.
no chile, just salsa.
That is all that I have for you guys. We thoroughly enjoyed our tour. Definitely looking forward to come back to do some more exploring. If you like what you've seen, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed so you're not missing out, and I will see you guys next time.